listen to me now.
To do this trend, you need to have Capcut application and a VPN if you are from India and have to connect before doing the further process. Now click on the link given below in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed to this page. Now click on Use Template in Capcut. After that, you will be directed to Capcut application. Now click on Use Template in Capcut and add your 2 photos from gallery. Now click on Preview and wait for until it generate your video. Now check your video and then export your video.
Listen to me now.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.